If you think brushing your teeth is enough to keep your smile healthy, this video might change the way you see dental care forever. That rough yellow buildup near the gum line is not just plaque, it is hardened dental tartar, also known as dental calculus, and once tartar forms, no toothbrush in the world can remove it. In this professional teeth cleaning tartar removal video, we are using high-definition 3D dental visualization to show you exactly how dentists safely remove tartar and restore oral health. Dental tartar removal is one of the most important preventative dentistry procedures in the United States. When plaque is not removed daily, it mineralizes and turns into tartar. This hardened layer traps bacteria against your teeth and gums, leading to gum inflammation, bleeding, bad breath, and eventually periodontal disease. In this tartar removal animation, you will see how dental hygienists use ultrasonic scalers and precision dental tools to break apart tartar without damaging the natural enamel. Watch closely as the ultrasonic vibrations gently fracture the dental calculus while water irrigation flushes away bacteria and debris. This teeth-cleaning tartar removal process not only improves the appearance of your teeth, but also protects your gums and prevents tooth loss. Many patients are surprised to learn that professional dental tartar removal can significantly reduce the risk of gum disease and improve overall oral hygiene. If you are learning something new from this dental tartar removal video, subscribe to our channel for more high-quality dental animations and oral health guides. If you have ever had tartar removal at the dentist, share your experience in the comments. Your story can help others feel less anxious about professional teeth cleaning. And send this video to a friend or family member who keeps postponing their dental visit. It might be the motivation they need to protect their smile. Remember, tartar removal at home is not safe and can permanently damage your enamel and gums. Only a licensed dental professional should perform dental calculus removal using sterile tools and clinical techniques. Regular professional dental cleanings, combined with proper brushing and flossing, is the key to preventing tartar buildup and maintaining long-term oral health. Healthy teeth are not just about a bright smile, they are a critical part of your overall health. Stay consistent with dental cleanings, stay informed about preventative dentistry, and stay tuned for more 3D dental education designed to help you protect your smile for life.